Hi everyone, we're back to another check-ins video. Today I've got something special for you. This is a JNCRADIO JBALUN-915, a 1.8 to 30 MHz 500 watt RF balloon. Let's take a quick look inside the box. Opening the package, we have the balloon itself, securely packed with protective padding. The unit features a solid aluminum housing, machined and hard anodized for durability. It's compact, lightweight, and ready to integrate into any HF antenna system. This balloon covers 1.8 to 30 MHz, so it works across all the main HF bands. It can handle up to 500 watts PEP, which is more than enough for most setups. Why use the JBALUN-915? When feeding an antenna with coax, unwanted currents can flow on the outside of the coax shield, creating noise and interfering with performance. This balloon suppresses those currents, helping to reduce interference, stability your SWR, and improve antenna performance. It screws in line with your coax feed and works as a one-to-one current balloon, providing reliable noise suppression for your HF setup. The JBALUN 915 is a compact, high-quality solution for ham radio enthusiasts looking to minimize noise and optimize their HF station. That's the JNCRADIO JBALUN 915. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one. 73.